Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm live streaming. It'd be non-narrated. So just watch the screen. It is a live account. You can see there. And see where we go. SpyBot Mover. So we just entered a trade. Our stop is put in place automatically. Our take profit is automatically placed. We're looking for $200 a contract. At any time, you can grab your stop and move it down. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. There it is. The stop automatically engaged. We took profit. There's our $600. For those that are looking to make $500 a day, there you go. And that's how it works. I usually start trading around 6 in the morning. This morning I got a late start. I don't run the bot without being there. But just to give you an idea, from right here to right there, that is your take profit. On this one, you would have made your $600 here. And this one, you would not have got your 600, but you would have got your break even. It would have got in down here. So you would have made about $400 a contract. Or I'm sorry, about 150 a contract, not 400. So you'd made about 450, somewhere through there on this one. This one here, you would have gotten stopped out in here, very small stop. You would have lost 1 point, so $150. This one right here, you would have got your target. This one right here, you would have got your target. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades that would have been profitable since 5:30 this morning, and you'd had one 1 point loss, been $150 on. This is 3 contracts. So it is a very profitable bot to use. I highly recommend it to everybody. You got to see it live this morning as far as running. Once you've, the more contracts you add here, the more money that you can make or lose, But I did 3 contracts this morning. I normally do 4 or 5. Looking at this chop right here, I didn't want to go in too much because I saw that it was in here. But with that big run that I missed, I was actually laying in bed, and then I saw this take off, and I thought I need to get up. I got a small headache, so I stayed in bed longer this morning. Probably won't trade much today until I get to feeling better. But you can see this is how it works. This was a live trade. This is Thursday, May the 12th, 2022. And, get your one trade. A lot of people only want to make about $500 a day or so. This got you 600. You can quit right here and be done. You don't have to keep trading all day, although this thing does show a lot of good trades. And right here there were several good trades, one loser, and you would be up, a whole lot more. So I will continue to trade this morning. But as far as the SpyBot goes, it's actually hit my target already. If I can make $200 a contract, then that's really good. Have any questions, let me know. We are leasing the SpyBot. We have multiple bots that we run. This is one that I changed some code on it to make it work better. But you can see there's a lot of good trades in here that it would have taken. And so it depends on what time you want to trade. I don't really recommend this at the U.S. Open, although it does work, but you get a higher drawdown on the U.S. Open. And then sometimes I don't like after the market settle down a little bit, but I really like to trade it on the London market. The London market seems to be the easiest trading. I usually trade between 6 o'clock in the morning and 9 a.m. Eastern time. That's usually when I trade. So this right here will be pretty well done for me today, I think. And I hit my target, and now I can go about my business. So you all have a good day. Have any questions, let me know. There is a link in the description that shows how to get SpyBot and get it just started today. Have a great day.